So there was a very interesting research around how our beliefs shapes our reality, and it's called Pygmalion effect. So the researcher went to a school and he selected the group of a small kid and he gave them a IQ test. And after taking the IQ test, he tests the teacher that out of all these kids, there are these 10 kids which are special. And this is a like little kids, not very mature. So he says these 10 kids are special. They have a high IQ and they are going to bloom this year. And of course this was randomized, so out of those group of the kids he randomly selected 10 kids, but he tells the teacher like these are the special kids. And then he came back after 1 year and then he did again the IQ test, and what he found was the 10 people he told that these are the special kids, they performed significantly better in the IQ test. Yeah. So basically what happened, he made teacher believe that these 10 people are special, and because teacher really believed these 10 people are special, he had a very high expectation from them, right? And because he was expecting high, the student performed that much higher, right? So this is why it's called Pygmalion effect, which is basically he made teacher believe, and because teacher believed, he made student believe like you are special. And because the student believed he was so because the student believed he was special, he performed much better, right? And this is how bendable the reality is actually, right? It's not as much as fixed, because we have this kind of notions, right? This is intelligent person, this is like that person and all that. It's not as fixed as we think, right? It's very much influenced by what people around us telling us, and what is being expected from us, right? Very interesting study. In fact, the reverse has also been researched, where they went to a group of students and they tell this teacher is very special, he has a PhD, high awards or something like that. And for the other group, they tell this is like an average normal teacher, right? And the teacher performed much better this time because the student's expectation was much higher from the teacher, right? So that's how our beliefs influence our productivity, our potential, and all the other things. Yeah. And unfortunately, what I notice most of the time, that negative Pygmalion effect. Most of the time, people around us, we can see, they have been told from the very childhood that you're not good enough or something like that, and they made them believe that, right? Because people around, it's like a neutral thing, right? If you tell a child you're not good enough, he's going to believe you're not good enough. If you tell him like you're special, he's going to believe special, right? So the negative Pygmalion effect is very prevailing actually, right? Where a lot of people who have a lot of potential have been told that you're not good enough, and that created this kind of a self-image in their head, and their performance is now lower even though the potential is higher. In fact, I was teaching for some time and I noticed that quite a lot, right? If your expectation is higher from the group of the student, they actually perform much better as compared to, if you are nitpicking like this is wrong with you, that is wrong with you, that only creates a lower self-esteem, right? So interesting research, and it has a very practical implications, right? At the very least, we can stop telling small kids that you're not good enough, or you're not this, or you're not that, right? That is just destructive, right? At least we can stop doing that. And the positive aspect is that we can flourish their positive quality, right? We can tell them this is good in you, not like cheap flattery kind of thing, but actual genuine appreciation of good qualities, right? Not just kids, but also around the people who are grown up, right? Just the way we saw in the Pygmalion, the teacher start performing much better because the students were expecting higher from the teacher, right? So we can at least appreciate the good quality in the people, and then we can have a higher expectation from the people around us, right? If we have a higher expectation, the chances are they are going to perform much better. Yeah. So interesting research around how just believing something start changing the potentiality altogether.